Kawama bumong. Bus kang opaiga. Pia. Surprise is surprise. And so, are you ready? One last time. Everybody. Tipra Idol Season 2. Me, winner, Unka. Plungsmaiti Reang. Let's welcome Plungsmaiti Reang here on the stage. And, Padi, Odoro, Bono, prize Yafana Bagay, ang nunginahanay, sini TTAAD, sini habang ni CEM, Sir Purno Chandra Jamatiano. Nunginahanay, sini Sarna Yang Obus Kang Opana Bagay, sini winner no, prize money with scrutiny chabi, tayo logi wo, kaisa trophy, and the scooty. So in Toto Yabu Holland, come on, please, everybody. Plungsmaiti Reang, the winner of Tipra Idol Season 2.